Hello guys, and welcome to another video unboxing. This time we're going to unbox one of the best mobile phone in the market today. It's the LETV LEMAX. It has a gigantic 6.3 inches screen, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and it also has a fingerprint scanner, 21 megapixel back camera, and I choose the gold version for this mobile phone. First of all, I want to tell you that I bought this mobile phone from fastcartech.com at a special promotion price. I paid for it €340 and I choose the 64GB gold version. It was a special promotion. So if you want to go ahead and buy this phone, I'll give you the link in the description of the video. So let's go ahead and take this beast out of the package. Okay, first of all, the seller includes a screen protector. It's just a plastic foil. The wet wipes, that's a good thing, so you can protect your screen. What else we have in the box? We have a case. It's a plastic case. That's another good thing, because the seller includes a plastic case to protect the phone. It's not a silicone one, it's a plastic. Very hard plastic, but that's a good thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this beast out from the package. What else? We have the box here. It says LETV here, specifications of the back on the box, but it says in Chinese. I choose the 64GB LEMAX. It has 4GB of RAM, Snapdragon 810, one of the best processors today. It has Dolby stereo, and here it says LETV X900. This is the code, production code for this mobile phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. And here, wow, here we have this gigantic phablet phone. As you can see, guys, it comes with bubble wrap to protect the phone. Okay, but we're going to let this aside from the moment. We have here the manuals of the phone. It says in Chinese. That's a nice thing. You pull this down and it gets you the LETV logo and also the tool to open the SIM card. It's a dual SIM, dual standby mobile phone. What else we have here? The seller includes the sale bill for me, the tracking number, version golden 64GB, European adapter. So this is the bill. I paid for it on 27 January and it took like 2 weeks to arrive from China to Europe. Okay, here we have the European adapter that the seller includes at no cost for me. We have the LETV charger. Here we have the micro USB to 3.0 adapter, because this phone, it has a USB 3.0 charger, so that's a good thing because the seller includes this also. And here we have the USB cable. As you can see, it comes in a nice package, so you just need to open this to get access to the USB cable. And it says the LETV logo here. Also, it has the LETV on the micro USB adapter. Okay, so this is what contains the box. Nothing more in the box. It's a very nice and very premium box, I will say. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how good this phone is. As I said, it comes with bubble wrap. Here on the back of the phone we have the LETV IMEI number. Here we have. Let's get this plastic off. And wow, that's a very big phone with a very nice gold finish. We also have plastic here to protect the logo. I'm going to try to get it off, but it's a little bit hard and I don't want to scratch the phone. Okay, so here is the phone. I gotta say guys that I cheat a little bit and I already put a screen protector on it, so this is not kind of first unboxing of the phone, because I already root this phone and I already installed the latest version of the ROM from LETV official. But we're going to go ahead and see what's inside the box and what this phone is capable of for those guys that are going to buy this phone for the first time. So as you can see here on the right side, we have the micro SIM. It's a dual SIM, dual standby phone. We have the power on and power off button for the mobile phone. Here we have the WeHD and nothing more on this side. On the left side we have the lock switch, the volume rockers up and down. Here on the bottom we have the stereo speakers. I think it's a stereo phone. It has dual stereo speakers. We have the USB 3.0 charger. Here on the top we have the 3.5mm jack for the headphones, and also we have the infrared blaster, because this phone also it has infrared, so you can control your TV, your air conditioning and all the stuff inside your house. On the back of the phone we have the LETV logo. It says the model LETV X900 Plus. We have a nice aluminium gold finish. All the mobile phone is made of aluminium. Here we have the fingerprint sensor, one of the best fingerprint on the market right now. Here we have the dual LED flash, and also we have the 21 megapixel camera and the microphone noise cancellation. I think it has another microphone cancellation noise, but I don't seem to find it right now. So let's go ahead and start this beast. It has a 6.3 inches 2K resolution display. It's capable of recording at 4K video, and it has 4 GB of RAM. I already updated the ROM to the latest version from Li Eco website, so you're going to see that this phone is running the latest ROM for this phone. And I also root the phone and install the TeamWin recovery. So I have managed to install another launcher, and also I have managed to root the mobile phone. So as you can see, this is the mobile phone. It has a 2K resolution. I'm going to increase a little bit the brightness. This will be a quick and walkthrough to the unboxing. I'm going to post a full review soon, so stay tuned and let's just go ahead in this first walkthrough of the phone. As you can see, the screen is very responsive. The lock screen, it's also very the lock button is also very responsive. Here it has physical buttons that they just light up when you unlock the screen, and I need to tell you guys that there is no shadow against near the buttons, so that's a good thing, because I have seen a lot of Chinese phones that has shadows. This is the LETV LEMAX X900. Let's just go ahead and see how is the camera quality of this phone. It has 21 megapixels. There's a lot of light here, but we have a lot of settings here. I'm going to put the exposure on 0 and let's just snap a quick photo. So yeah, as you can see guys, it has an amazing quality. 21 megapixel camera that it's capable of recording in slow motion and also in 4K resolution. So this is the unboxing of the LETV LEMAX. Like I said, I'll post a full review soon, so I will tell you guys if this phone worth the money or not. But it's one of the best mobile phone in the market right now, with 64 GB of internal storage, 4 GB of RAM, 6.3 inches 2K resolution, and as you can see guys, it's bezel-less. I mean, the bezel on this phone are minimum. They keep the bezel at minimum. So you can see how big this phone is. I'm going to compare it with the iPhone 5, so you can see the difference, how big this phone is compared to the iPhone 5, and I'm also comparing this phone to the Samsung Galaxy Note 3, so you can see how big this phone is. Let's just go ahead and put them all three together so you can see the difference of this one. Okay guys, so that was the first unboxing of the LETV LEMAX. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye!